Do you know trucking is the backbone of America's economy? Stay with me till the end because I'll show you how one truck can turn into a $300,000 yearly profit. Over 70% of goods in USA are transported by trucks. Millions of trucks on roads daily. And later, I'll reveal how you can start trucking with just $50,000. Don't miss this. Buying new versus used trucks, $40,000 to $200,000. Licensing and permits, $5,000 to $10,000. Insurance, $8,000 to $15,000 per year. Fuel and maintenance, $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Imagine making $60K profit from one truck. I'll explain exactly how in a few minutes. Owner-operator potential, $150K to $200K per year gross. Net profit after expenses, $60K to $80K per truck. And here's the secret strategy top truckers use to multiply their earnings quickly. Fuel costs, maintenance, regulations, driver shortage, long hours, competition. But don't worry, I'll show you a trick to minimize these risks by the end of this video. Get CDL or hire drivers. Registered Trucking Company, LLC, USDOT and MC numbers. Buy, lease, truck, and insurance. Find loads via brokers, load boards. Build client relationships. And finally, I'll show a real-life example of one small trucking business turning into a fleet in 5 years. Recap investment, earnings, and steps. Motivation. Start small, think big, grow fleet gradually. If this inspired you, like, subscribe, and comment below which business you want me to cover next.